If shoulder pain stops you from living life, you're not alone. There's real hope, and it starts here. Let's break down how shoulder replacement works. Shoulder replacement means swapping out worn joint parts with smooth, artificial implants. Over 90% of patients find big relief and better movement after surgery. Recovery usually takes about 3 to 6 months, with gradual improvement through rehabilitation and physical therapy. Through teleconsultation, you can speak directly with experienced orthopedic surgeons, share your X-rays or MRI scans, and understand the best treatment plan, all from home. MediGence helps you connect with world-class hospitals and specialists for shoulder replacement. You can book online consultations, get accurate treatment cost estimates, receive expert second opinions, access support for travel, admission, and recovery planning. Visit at www.medigence.com to start your journey to pain-free movement.